Okay, next challenge is they're going to go into the water and they're going to try to climb up this. They've tried it before and they both failed and fell. It's really slimy. So whoever gets up first wins the challenge. Okay, the winner of this one definitely gets to ride in the front seat.
Too bad I already get to win.
Nope. Come on.
Why don't I get front seat because she can drive me over first?
Come on. Go, go. Yay! Caitlin wins.
I still ride in the front.
No, Caitlin's riding in the front.
I want to slide down this thing.
Do it. Do it. Slide down like a slide.
I can't even get up. Get your ass up.
Tell me let's make a break and then is that why you wanted a love song? Cause you asked for it. Slide down. What the fuck is that?
I can't get up there.
Slide.
You can semi-get up. This is so gross.
Your butt's gonna be all nasty.
What?
Your butt's probably all nasty now.
Oh, there's nothing on my butt.
To stay.
Don't videotape this.
If all you have is leaving, I need a victim. What?
Got it.
Yay!
Woo! I still get front.
No, you don't.
Yeah, I do.
Caitlin
I won that
does.
one. No, you don't. What?
I'll get the front seat anyway.